Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Sendinblue for email marketing. So why we need to use email marketing in the first place? Well, it is quite important for all the businesses out there, whether small or big, to market their products and services. And email marketing is one such way to promote your products and services. And email marketing also helps boost service and product sales. So it is quite important for us to do email marketing. So let's get started with it and see how we can do it using Sendinblue. So for that, you need to open up your browser and then search for Sendinblue. After that, you can just open up very first link that you will see on the search results, or in case if the sponsored result is not there, then make sure that you are opening up the correct website, which is www.sendinblue.com. Just open it up, and this is where it will lead you to. After that, you will be able to see that there are different packages out there, and you can also sign up for free, absolutely free. And as the price goes up, there are different features that are added to it. Like in the free sign up, you get to send 300 emails a day, which is around 9,000 emails in a month. But when you go on higher package, then it is at least 20,000 emails per month, and also some more features added to it, because it is everything which is in free and the additional features over here. And in the higher package, you can see that there are more added features over here, like marketing automation, A/B testing, advanced statistics. So just choose the packages according to your needs and requirements, and this way it will be able to help you better. So let me sign up for free for now, so I can show you around how you can actually go about it. So let's click on sign up for free. After it opens up, you will have to provide the email address or password, and you can also sign up using Google or Apple account. But let me provide my email address and password in order to create an account, and you will not be requiring any credit card to open up your account. So let me sign up for now. After that, just click on create an account. After that, it will ask you to verify your email address, and in order to verify your email address, you will just have to open up the email that you just provided to sign up, and you will be able to see a confirm my email address link on your email address. Just open your email and click on it. After you click on the link, this is where it will lead you to, and after that you need to provide your details regarding your first name and last name and your company's name. And if you have a website, then you can just simply provide your website over here and then click on next. Then you need to provide some more information about your company, like address, zip code, and city and country. And in case if you don't have any address for your company, then you can enter your home address if you run your company from home, and you can also add any other address which you will be using in future for your business. So let me type mine. After filling up all the details, just click on next. I'm just showing and typing all the information which is absolutely wrong, and I'm just showing it as an example. Make sure that you type in all the right details out there while creating your account in order to properly utilize Sendinblue services. And if you don't want to receive any product updates or marketing tips from the Sendinblue, then you can just simply select this mark, tick this box, and after that you can just simply click on next, and make sure that you choose the other options as well correctly. After that, you need to provide your phone number so they can validate your phone number, and also they will be using your phone number for two-factor verification and authentication, to be precise. So just provide your phone number and click on send verification code. After that, a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Type the verification code that you receive on your phone number, and in case if you don't receive it, then you can just simply click on this option of resend code, or in case if you want to change your phone number, then just simply click on modify phone number. After that, just click on verify, and here it will ask you to choose a plan again. Just scroll down a little bit and see all the features that you will be provided with different accounts of Sendinblue, and you can also compare all these plans. Just choose them accordingly as per your requirement, and I'm just showing you around, so I will just choose continue with free plan for now. And this is how you create your Sendinblue account. Now let's see how we can start with the email marketing part. So in order to start email marketing, we need to first add contacts. So we can just simply send that particular email to our contacts, all the contacts to be precise. So just click over here. And here you can upload a file if you have .csv, .xlsx or .txt file. Just add that particular file over here and the contacts will be added over here. And if you want to copy and paste your contacts from .xls file, then you can just copy paste them over here. And if you want to embed a form on your website through which you will be able to add people to your contact list, then you can just simply create a form by clicking over on this option of create a form. And this way you will be able to embed this form on your website, and when someone sign up for your newsletter or anything else, then they will be added to your contacts over here. And this way you will be able to send any particular email to them also. So just click on this option of exit for now, and all the contacts that you have added will be shown over here. And you can also create different sets of contacts by clicking on create a contact and add different lists of contacts, like for sales of a different product and sale of product 2 and sale of your services. And this way you will be able to curate a list of different contacts, so you can just create campaigns according to their particular profile. Now let's get back to our home page. And after adding your contacts, you can just simply go on this option of campaign and schedule a campaign for your email marketing. So you can just simply click over here, or you can just click on campaigns on the top left. And here you need to just click on this option of create a campaign. Then it will ask you what kind of campaign are you looking to create. It can be email campaign, SMS campaign, WhatsApp, web push, Facebook ads. So just choose accordingly, since we are looking for email. So we will just select the email one. And also you can automate your email marketing by just clicking on this option of create a custom automation. And you can also select the pre-made templates from these options. Just choose any of them. Like if you want to send a product purchase email, then you can just simply select this template. Let's create an email from sketch by clicking on this option of email over here, and it will redirect us to this page. And now we can just name our campaign to test and click on create campaign. A/B testing is basically you are testing your emails by sending your email to 50% of your total contact list. So in this way you will be able to see the responses and predict the responses of the people in your contact list. Now let's create campaign. After that you need to add your from, like who is sending this particular email to your contact list. And for that you need to just click on add from, and here just click on email address. And you can also click on this option of add a new sender. This way you will be able to change the email address for the from section. And here you can add your company's name, then click on save. After that you need to choose the list. The section where we just saw how you can create contact list, just create list over there and all the lists will appear over here. And this way you will be able to choose a particular list for a particular campaign. Let me choose this one for now and click on save. And then we will choose the subject. For that just click on add subject, and here just add the subject line, like you are looking to sell a product. So we will just select new product launch sale, and just click on this option of save. Then you can just simply click on design email in order to design your email. And here you will be provided with different templates over here. Just select any of them as per your requirements, and you can completely change them, delete any of the portion that you are not liking. And you can also select this option of start from scratch. In order to start from scratch, let's select this template for now, since we are selling a product. This is how your email will look like. After that, when you click on this particular header, you will be able to see that there are different options which will be provided to us. Like, you can change the background color as per your brand's color, and just select the image, background image that will be shown over here. And you can also insert the URL of your website or brand. Just play around with these settings in order to get them correct and as per your requirement. And if you don't like some portion of it, then you can just simply click on this option of delete block in order to delete it. And if you want to move around some portion, then you can just simply drag and drop that particular portion according to your needs. Like, if I want it to be down here, then I will just pull it down, and this is how it will appear. So it is quite simple, just drag and drop anywhere, and this is how easy it is. You can change any of it. Then I can just simply select it and change it. You can also change the font. If you don't like this one, then we can change it to this one. You can change the size as per your requirement. You can underline it, you can color it, you can play around with it, and you have full freedom to design your email. Just design it to make it more attractive and look better, so anyone who sees this will be able to appreciate your brand and get to connect with it. And after making all the changes, you can just simply click on save and quit, and you will also be able to see the footer, and this particular logo of Sendinblue will also be added in the free version of it. And if you want it to be removed, then you need to go for the paid version, as this will be shown in every email that you will be sending. Now let's click on save and continue. And this is how your email will appear and all the other information related to your email. Then you can just schedule it, or you can just save and quit. If you want to make changes in future, then just click on save and quit, and this way you will be able to start all the edits right from where you left. Then you can just preview it or test it, and you can just schedule it. There will be 3 options provided to you, whether to send it now, schedule for later, or the best time. But this won't be accurate in the beginning, so we need to just click on send now in order to send it now. And this is how you use Sendinblue for email marketing. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.